残酷な天使のように少年よ神話になれ。
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about restriction enzymes and I'll tell you all you need to know about it. So, what is a restriction enzyme? I am very glad you asked. It is a type of intracellular enzyme that recognizes specific base sequence, which in this context can be called recognition sites, to which they bind or cleave to the DNA or RNA, which usually comes from a foreign body. Each restriction enzyme usually have a specific shape to complement the restriction site which they act upon. Restriction enzymes are usually used as a defense mechanism for prokaryotes to go against bacteriophages. Let's say that the bacteriophage is having a bad day and decides to attack this poor E. coli bacterium with its viral DNA. So how shall the E. coli bacterium deal with it? Well, E. coli has a restriction enzyme called E. coli, which cleaves to DNA and a palindromic sequence of GAATC, to which they would leave sticky ends at the end. Pew pew pew. And the product of this would be RNA fragments, hence the viral DNA no longer has an effect. However, not all restriction enzymes works the same. Some don't even cut the restriction site, hence it'd be a better term to say this. Well, now it strikes the question, how does a restriction enzyme recognize the restriction site? Well, there's this super cool process called methylation, which basically just means adding a CH3, a methyl group, to whatever the base sequence could be. So when endenine gets methylated, it would turn into that. So would the other base sequences. Hence, the position of methylation in the DNA sequence prevents the E. coli restriction enzyme from killing itself, to which we absolutely stand, because the efficiency of not killing yourself is essential for survival. Thank you for watching this video to its very end. If there's any inquiries, feel free to drop it down the comment box and we'll see you soon.